Hey everyone, welcome to another Backcountry Forward setup video. This is the Segmart Hammock, and we'll be showing you how to set it up. Hey everybody, so this is the hammock, Segmart Hammock, and if you open it, you'll find the hanging straps. You got one for either side, obviously, and this bag is also actually the hammock itself. So we'll get to that in a second. I'm going to show you guys how to strap up your hammock first. So first thing you need to do is unravel your cord, your setup strap. I'm going to show you these up close. You'll notice that there are multiple loops in the cord, especially the second half. Those are what you're going to hook your carabiners to. But first things first, take the main loop, the biggest loop on the one end, wrap it around the tree high enough up. If you can find a branch or if you can find a knot to kind of give yourself a little extra added strength, and weave the rest of the rope through that hole. Pull it nice and snug, wrap it around the opposite direction of the tree. So you don't keep going the same way, you wrap it around the opposite direction. Come around, make sure you wrap slightly higher than your original loop. So you're gonna tuck into that loop, so wrap higher, and then when you think you're at the desired length, we're gonna make that a little longer actually, you take the end of your loop and put it back through that original loop again, and pull it tight. That will be what you're attaching your hammock to. The nice thing is, if this cord is too long, you've got multiple loops that you can put your carabiner through. So we'll get to that in a second. Let's set up the other one. So here's that loop I was talking about on the end. We're gonna push that around. Actually, go one more higher. Take that loop, string the rest of the cord through it. Now I've pulled tight this way, and I continue wrapping this way. Again, I'm going above my original loop just a little bit because I want to be able to put that last final weave through. Now go as many times as you can, depending on your distance. I probably could have done it a little bit more on the original, on the first one there. This just helps get rid of any excess length that you don't need. Now I'm going to take the end, pull tight again. There's that original loop, and weave it through. Pulled it nice and snug, which is a good thing. There we go. Give it a couple good tugs, and that will be what's holding you up. So like I said, the hammock is itself its own bag. So you just kind of pull out your hammock. The material is a durable parachute fabric. It's rated to be able to hold up to 400 to 600 pounds. The carabiners are lightweight, but durable up to 2,000 pounds. So you can trust these bad boys. They are more than durable. You got one on either end, obviously, and all you have to do is take it and hook it on to one of your loops here. We can go a little further out. Nice thing with multiple loops is if you're not happy with that length or where it ends up positioning itself, guess what? You can just go up for a higher loop. You want to make sure you have enough room. This is probably too tight. That's good. There we go. And there you have your Segmart Hammock. Easy to set up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Comment below and leave any comments of products you'd like us to review or a story from your recent trip. And keep moving forward.
Yeah.